Video game consoles have changed a great deal from their inception. Gone are the days of singularly focused, basic gaming. Today, the gaming console realms runs the gamut from basic consoles that take you down memory lane to the ultra-portable gaming rigs to insanely powerful offerings for 4K HDR, high dynamic range, and virtual reality gaming. So we have got some 5 best gaming consoles you must try in the year 2020. So let's begin the countdown from number 5. At number 5 we have Nintendo Switch Lite Portable Gaming Console. For handheld gaming on the go, there's no better option than Nintendo Switch Lite. The more affordable and more compact variant of Nintendo Switch, available in several eye-catching colors, yellow, turquoise, and gray. The Lite looks even more adorable. The Switch Lite is compatible only with games that support handheld mode. Unsurprisingly, there's a vast selection of titles to pick from. And if we talk about the price, it costs you about $200. At number 4 we have Sega Genesis Mini Gaming Console. If you are the nostalgic type OPT for the Sega Genesis Mini, a more compact replica of iconic original, the Sega Genesis Mini has a very well deserved high review score from The Verge. The review editor noted that the product nails all of the basics. And if you talk about the price tag, it costs around $78.99. At number 3 we have Sony PlayStation 4 Pro Gaming Console. The Sony PlayStation 4 Pro delivers 4K HDR gaming on the select titles without the need for an expensive desktop or laptop computer. We like that the console can upgrade a number of gaming titles from Full HD to 4K resolution. The PS4 Pro is also compatible with a range of excellent accessories. Sony's best gaming console can also stream 4K content from Netflix and also other services, as well as upscale non-4K video content. The device is compatible with all PS4 games as well as with Sony's excellent PlayStation VR headset. If we talk about the price tag or the cost of Sony PlayStation 4 Pro, then it's about $439.99. At number 2 we have Microsoft Xbox One X Gaming Console. Until its successor arrives later in 2020, the Xbox One X is the best option for 4K gaming. It is the most powerful gaming console available now, capable of delivering gameplay in 4K resolution and HDR at an eye-popping 60 frames per second. This is pretty remarkable for a device priced well below $500. The console also features a 4K Blu-ray player as well as the ability to stream high-resolution content. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and voice commands, as well as an external mouse and keyboard. And if we talk about the price tag of Microsoft Xbox One gaming console, then it is about $399.99. And finally, at number 1 we have PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is an upcoming home video game console developed by Sony Interactive Entertainment, announced in 2019 as a successor to the PlayStation 4. It is scheduled to launch in late 2020. The platform is anticipated to launch in 2 variants: as a base PlayStation 5 system incorporating an Ultra HD Blu-ray compatible optical disc drive for retail game support alongside digital distribution via the PlayStation Store, and a lower cost. The PlayStation 5 features a customized solid-state drive designed for high-speed data streaming to enable significant improvements in graphical performance. The hardware also features a custom AMD GPU capable of ray tracing, support for 4K resolution displays at high frame rates, new audio hardware for real-time 3D audio effects, and a backward compatibility with most PlayStation 4 and PlayStation VR games. While none can match the power and performance of PS5, it's the top of the top in all aspects. While buying a PlayStation 5 will be no regret because of its massive performance and ability to do things like 4K HDR streaming to the highest level gives you the unreal experience of the world. It also creates an incredible place and space and a perfect environment to play games and stream them in the top quality Ultra HD Blu-ray compatible optical disc drive for retail game support alongside digital distribution via the PlayStation Store and a lower cost digital variant lacking the disc drive while retaining digital download support. 4K resolution displays a high frame rates, new audio hardware for real-time 3D audio effects, and backward compatibility the most PlayStation 4 and PlayStation VR games. So this beast is coming in the holidays of 2020. Get ready to grab one. And if you talk about the price tag for PS5 is not yet revealed. These were the 5 best gaming consoles you can buy to have an incredible experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did, don't forget to hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to 10-Second PC for more technological updates. Thanks for watching.